Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to mute song on your soundbar JBL. So let's get started by play a song and right here when you play a song just press mute button on your remote controller, and right here we should have the information that it mute. Yeah, and as you can see it work. So if you want to unmute it, just press again and you will have the information that it's unmute. This remote controller have some trouble with it, so I guess I should click a few times more. Yeah, and as you can see we have just volume. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.